Hello, my name is Frank van Meel and I'm CEO of BMW M. Now I'm here at the famous racetrack in Le Mans, and there are two reasons for the most powerful letter in the world for being here. First of all, this race car right next here to me, the M8 GTE, which is about to race in just a few hours for the first time since 7 years that BMW is competing again at this famous racetrack. Well, I already said there are two reasons for the most powerful letter in the world to be here. The second reason is right next to me. It's Adrian and the car.
My name is Adrian van Hooijdonk. I'm responsible for design in BMW Group, and we use this fantastic race, of course, also to launch our latest product, our latest design, the new BMW 8 Series, and that's what we see right here. We've never done this. We've never launched a race car and a production car at the same time, so of course for us super exciting. The 8 Series will land at the very top of the BMW lineup and will open a new chapter in our form and design language. Of course, this is a sports car, so the front end immediately needs to communicate that. A very low and wide grille, a lot of air intakes, a lot of carbon fiber, because power to weight ratio is something that is very important to us, isn't it?
Well, of course, it's like in the race car, power to weight ratio is everything. And regarding power and weight, what you see here is an optional carbon fiber package to bring down weight even further. It's in the air intakes in the front. It's on the roof as an option, and also in the rear regarding diffuser and rear spoiler. Now the second thing you see here are the huge air intakes, which Adrian already mentioned. We need those because in this car we have the newest, latest generation of our V8 M Performance TwinPower Turbo engine, where we increased power by 70 horsepower and 100 Newton meters to 530 horsepower, which is more or less the same power that our race car is running with right now. Now we did that by redoing the overall engine, injection system, the whole engine layout itself, turbochargers, air intake, so a lot of racing technology in this car. Adrian, what about
the side,
rest?
of course, to create a sports car, proportion is key. We create a very fast and elegant roofline, and here in the body side you see what we are going to do as next steps in our form language. We're going to make it cleaner, fewer lines. The lines that we do have, very precise, very sharp, very crisp. This whole body side seems to develop from the air that comes out of this air outtake, and that's there for a performance reason as well.
Well, coming back to performance, of course, you see some nice 20-inch wheels with high-performance tires that come as a standard on this car with M Performance brakes. Now, what you don't see is what's inside the car behind this, which are a lot of technology systems regarding the chassis. It's the controllable dampers, it's the active differential at the rear, it's the xDrive system, and it's an integral steering system, a four-wheel steering system. And as an option, you can also include a roll stabilization system. So that makes this car really, really sporty, and at the same time with a very, very high degree of everyday usability and comfort. So a very nice technology behind this car.
In design, we of course want to express what lies underneath. So this is an extremely powerful car, like Frank mentioned. We created an extremely strong shoulder to show that, a strong muscle over the rear wheel. And then in the rear, very slim tail lamps that actually set the car up very nicely. The car looks extremely solid on its wheels, and then of course in the rear end a lot of detailing again done for performance reasons, creating the proper amount of downforce.
Now I think that is the right keyword to end this walk around the car, the proper amount of downforce, because that is what is the same between the race car and the series production car. The technology of bringing maximum vehicle dynamics to a car. And it's all about downforce at the rear and at the front. And as I said in the beginning, there are two reasons for M, the most powerful letter in the world, for being here and being really happy. The race car and the series production car. This car is going to race today. That car you can buy later on this year. Thank you for your attention.
We're looking forward to seeing the start of the race now. Hope you join us, watch this. A very exciting event for all of us.
Cool.